Welcome back to Coin Market Insider, the channel where we explore rare coins, hidden treasures, and the fascinating stories behind everyday currency. Today we are looking at a small coin from Southeast Asia that has captured the attention of collectors around the world. This is the 1976 5 Sen coin from Malaysia. At first glance it may look like an ordinary circulation coin. But when you examine its design history and collector demand, you will understand why this coin has become an interesting topic in the coin collecting community. Malaysia introduced a modern decimal coinage system in 1967 after gaining independence and building its national identity. Coins such as the 5 Sen were designed not only for everyday use but also to represent Malaysian culture, architecture, and national pride. The 1976 5 Sen coin was created during a period when the country was strengthening its economic growth and modernizing its currency system. Let us begin with the obverse side of the coin. The obverse is the front side that displays the main denomination and national identity. On the 1976 5 Sen coin, the obverse shows the clear inscription 5 Sen Malaysia. This simple yet powerful design reflects the official monetary unit of the country. The typography is bold and easy to read, which helps the coin remain recognizable even after years of circulation. The designer of this coin was Geoffrey Colley. Geoffrey Colley was a respected coin designer who worked on several Malaysian coinage designs. His work focused on clarity, balance, and national symbolism. Colley created designs that were simple enough for daily use yet meaningful enough to represent the country. Now let us turn the coin over and look at the reverse design. The reverse side features one of the most iconic buildings in Malaysia, the Parliament House located in Kuala Lumpur. This building represents the democratic system and political structure of Malaysia. The architectural design of the Parliament complex is modern and distinctive, which made it a perfect symbol for a national coin. The depiction of the Parliament House on the coin reflects Malaysia's progress and commitment to governance and development. By placing such an important building on a circulating coin, the designers ensured that every citizen would see a symbol of national leadership in their daily transactions. Coins like the 1976 5 Sen were minted in large quantities for circulation. Millions of these coins passed through markets, shops, and households across Malaysia. Because of this heavy circulation, most surviving coins today show signs of wear. However, collectors always search for coins in higher grade conditions. Coins that remain shiny with sharp details are much more desirable. When discussing coin value, it is important to understand that not every coin will reach extremely high prices. Value depends on condition, rarity, mint errors, and collector demand. Some circulated coins may only be worth a small amount above their face value. However, coins in mint state condition or coins with rare variations can reach significantly higher prices in collector market. Some collectors have estimated extremely high theoretical values for certain rare examples. Figures such as $900 million often circulate online as speculative or promotional numbers. These numbers usually represent the maximum hypothetical collector interest rather than the standard market price. In reality, professional coin grading and auction history determine the actual collectible value. Another interesting aspect of the 1976 5 Sen coin is its historical connection to Malaysian architecture. The Parliament House building shown on the coin is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Kuala Lumpur. It symbolizes the center of political discussion, lawmaking, and national decision-making. This makes the coin not just currency but a small piece of national history. For coin collectors, architecture-themed coins are always appealing. They capture moments of cultural development and preserve the visual identity of important structures. When collectors build world coin collections, they often look for coins that feature famous buildings, monuments, or national landmarks. If you own a 1976 Malaysia 5 Sen coin, there are several things you should check. First, examine the surface condition. A coin with minimal scratches and strong details may be more collectible. Second, check for unusual mint errors such as double strikes off center designs or unusual metal coloration. These rare minting mistakes can significantly increase value. Storage is also very important for collectors. Coins should be kept in protective holders, coin capsules, or archival coin albums. This prevents scratches, corrosion, and environmental damage. A well-preserved coin can maintain its beauty for decades or even centuries. The popularity of world coin collecting has grown rapidly thanks to the internet and social media communities. Collectors from the United States, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East regularly share discoveries and trade coins with each other. Coins like the 1976 Malaysia 5 Sen have gained attention because they represent both affordability and historical significance. For beginners, this type of coin is a great entry point into international coin collecting. It is small, affordable, and historically interesting. For experienced collectors, it offers opportunities to search for high-grade examples, rare varieties, and historical mint conditions. The story of a coin is often more valuable than the metal itself. Each coin travels through countless hands, markets, and moments in history. Imagine how many people used the 1976 5 Sen coin to buy food, travel through cities, or make daily purchases. Every coin carries silent memories of the era in which it circulated. Today, many of these coins have found their way into private collections, coin shops, and online marketplaces. Collectors continue to study them, document their variations, and preserve them for future generations. So the next time you come across an old Malaysian coin, take a closer look. It might not just be spare change. It could be a small historical artifact connected to the culture, architecture, and economy of a growing nation. Thank you for watching Coin Market Insider. If you enjoy discovering rare coins, world currency history, and valuable collectibles, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more hidden treasures from around the world. The next coin we explore might be sitting in your pocket right now.